Hi everyone and welcome in this new video. In this video we are going to talk about local variable and global variable. A global variable is all the variable that we have seen before. So a global variable is just a variable set in the Python sheet and you can have access to this variable all the time and at all the location in the code. But a local variable is a variable that you can only have access in a function. For example, if I define a function, so my function, I don't put any necessary input, I create a local variable named loc and I print the global variable to show you that the global variable can be called in a function. So, for example, if I call my function, the global variable is print. But if I want to print loc now, we cannot do it because loc is a variable inside a function. So it's very important to understand the difference that global variable can be called at any location in the Python sheet, but the local variable are local to the function. So a local variable can be called only in its function. So it's very important to understand it to don't have any issues with your following project.